All right. Well, my name is Brandon. I am the crypto coding Canadian. I make videos on coding in crypto so that you can use different tools that I use and build different things. I don't know really how to explain it. So let's dive into what we've got today. So this is a tool that you can use to send NFTs from one address to another, and essentially from your wallet you can mint an NFT from your collection to another person's wallet. So this is really helpful if someone's paid you say in cash for an NFT, or if you have sold it through like PayPal or something like that. This is really helpful. Or if you want to send it to somebody just out of the blue and you have their wallet address, you can send one of your NFTs to somebody using this tool. And so essentially what it is a form that will tell you when you're connected to MetaMask what your wallet address is that you're sending from, and then it'll allow you to put in a wallet address to send to and the number of NFTs. So how this works is we'll show you Connect Wallet. This uses the Connect Wallet button right here, and it'll give two different options. If there's no address, it'll show Connect Wallet, right, like you saw, and it'll give you that chance to sign in to this app or Dapp to complete this action. Or it'll allow you to disconnect if there is an address that it senses. And so then it's going to use this use address function, and we're going to see how this works. So let's go with build. Perfect. So now we have our wallet connected, and we can select an address, another address, and select this, and we can select send NFT. It's going to request our signature, and we could confirm it, but we'll just reject it for now. So that shows the functionality. The reason why I rejected it is because in this collection I only have one NFT minted, so I'm sure it would probably just mint one and then throw me an error. And so yeah, let's go through how it all works. So we can disconnect now, and so it uses a tool called Thirdweb. And so if you haven't heard of Thirdweb, it's this development platform that you can deploy NFT collections, different ERC20 tokens, different voting systems, and you can use their code to essentially build decentralized applications, as well as Solidity contracts. So this will write it for you, and they've just got their standardized ones, and so you can learn about each one, learn about how to deploy it, and they have a lot of different options in terms of what you can deploy. And so yeah, that's Thirdweb. So we've imported Thirdweb, these different tools, so the address and as well the NFT drop. And so what that allows us to do is send functions through their SDK, which will initialize the blockchain using that wallet address and provider. And it really does it in a very few lines of code. So it really makes it easy to quickly deploy it if you know what you're doing. I struggle through a lot of it. And so essentially what I do is I find different functions and try and make things work, and sometimes it works out for me, and this is an example of that. So essentially what it does is it pulls in the NFT and allows you to send this claim to function using the address in this form, and then it sends through the amount in this form, and then when you click the button, then it will submit it, and then we have this submit handler. Yeah, and so what it does is it essentially pulls in that data, creates a data constant and or constructor, whatever you want to call it. I call it constant, and then it creates that constant and gets the data, and then creates that transaction, and then you can use that or display it if you want to. I choose on this one just not to. It's just easier and faster to get it done, but if you want to expand on it, you can. So there's two different components that are built in, and when you want to change the network, you go into the app, you select which network you want to be on, desired chain, and that can be Mumbai, or that can be say Polygon. And it will connect your wallet through that specific chain. And so yeah, that is the tool that I built. If you want to go test it out, you can try it out. If you want to change it for your own use, then you can do that as well. So I hope you enjoy this tool. And this is Code Sandbox. What it does is it allows you to build different JavaScript or TypeScript or static web pages and deploy them quickly and easily. And you can see you can use either Vercel to deploy it, or you can just go to the deployed version, right? And so then we'll just connect our wallet again, right? So it's already connected to the site, and then I'll just so then that's going to request. We're going to sign and confirm this transaction. Oh, that may fail. Okay, so it failed because the network that I'm on is not the right network. So it won't automatically change it for you. If you want to add that functionality, you can. So let's try that again. It's going to request it again. Right, we're on the testnet. Let's see if I have enough Matic on the testnet. Alright, so that sent it through, and let's go back to that account. So that one, activity, we claimed it, and that was using the Code Sandbox. And so hope you guys enjoyed this video. My name is Brandon. I'm the Crypto Coding Canadian. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you want the code for this Code Sandbox, feel free to go down and grab it below, and happy coding.